Alright, greetings and welcome again to Drama in the Dirt's Meet the Digger. This week, as you saw, we have Marc Hoover. Marc has sent some finds and a bio, which we'll be sharing. And then also I'd like to say I really appreciate him taking time to do that. He mentioned just how busy he was, so it was very kind of him to do that. I trust you'll enjoy it. Marc's a scuba diver and a true treasure hunter, so we're so glad to have him. Then again, remember our schedule. We'll have drama shooting at the Dirt on this coming Friday, and then Saturday our regular episode. I think it'll be another Digging in the Dark episode for that. So please plan to join us, and we would appreciate it so much. So let's go on and we'll read the bio that Marc has to share with us. He did an excellent job presenting that to us. And then again, I appreciate he sent several pictures of his family, and I think that's wonderful. So Marc, God bless you and keep you, and to all of you out there, the same. So please enjoy the program. All right, I want to share with you Marc's bio. It's one of my world famous screenshots. I think it's pretty straight. I live and work in Altima Springs, Florida, which is in central area. I was born in Odessa, Texas, but from an early age I was raised in Orlando, Florida. I participated in the grand opening of the Disney World in 1971 and then went on to graduate from Florida State University. I was a certified scuba diver in 1973 and haven't been diving much recently. However, metal detecting and magnet fishing have inspired my interest in scuba diving again to look for lost rings and relics. I started metal detecting seriously for a hobby in January of 2016, I believe, about 3.5 years ago. I've been able to travel around the United States with my work and metal detect in some wonderful places, including Idaho, Utah, Nevada, Illinois, Ohio, Virginia, and all around the Southeast. I was even able to detect the beaches of Cabo San Lucas, Mexico, earlier this year while on vacation. I am currently the second vice president of the Central Florida Metal Detecting Club, the largest and one of the oldest clubs in North America, having been founded in 1972. Our president is Carolyn Hardwick, who also is a sales manager for Calico Metal Detectors. Our annual hunt is called the Central Florida Sunshine Silver and Relic Hunt, which is held every April in Orlando. Our sponsors are Nokta, Macro, Mine Lab, Garrett, First Texas, and others. Last year we started a Thanksgiving hunt in November on the beach open to all Florida clubs. Our dual purpose of the event is to come together to enjoy the hobby and to collect food and money for the Single Mothers Outreach Program in Central Florida. I am also the business manager for Relics Radio on Spreaker.com every Thursday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Our host, Loy Milam, Digging with 7, and Jeff Warwick, Tennessee Jeff, interview our guests each week. Our guests have diverse interests including metal detecting, gold prospecting, and treasure diving. I work with all of our sponsors and guests. Finally, I founded the Facebook page and group Adventures in History to encourage people to share their stories of exploration, history, adventure, and even metal detecting. We have had many detectorists, historians, and other folks like yourself contributing to our group. Equipment-wise, I started with a Garrett AT Pro metal detector and graduated to a Garrett AT Max. I'm also using the MineLab Equinox 800 and the MineLab Excalibur for the beach and water hunting. I love both relic hunting and water hunting, and as mentioned before, want to start diving more with my detector. My favorite place to metal detect so far is an old gold mine ghost town in Idaho. I also enjoy hunting for Civil War relics in Virginia, Tennessee, Kentucky, North and South Carolina. I truly believe that our best finds in the hobby are the wonderful people we have met both in the U.S. and overseas. This hobby is truly a shared sport with like-minded folks all over the world, and I really enjoy getting to meet and spend time with folks from all over. My wife enjoys going to metal detecting outings, and we often take our 2 grandkids, Sophia and Liam, with us, and they have their own metal detectors, Minelab GoFind 66. They love finding coins, old items, and showing them off at school. I love encouraging kids in the hobby and seeing the thrill on their faces when they find something or learn something new about history. After all, they will carry on long after we are gone. My best find so far is probably my U.S. belt plate, which I found in Virginia during my first hunt on a farm that was a Civil War encampment for both the Confederate troops and the U.S. troops. I like finding old bottles and other unique items that have been lost to time. I also enjoy restoring relics for display. Finally, I like to be able to find and return things that people have lost, like rings and cell phones. My motto is, have adventure will travel. Well, thank you for sharing with us, Marc. I live and work in Altamonte Springs, Florida. I was certified scuba, of course. All right, greetings and oops, dropped my mouse. That never happens.